morning guys, I'm Julie and today I have a mission. I need to bring you guys to a place that is a very beautiful and natural place. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So now I'm on the way Dajing and Maolin. These two places, Dajing is the border between Kaohsiung and Pingtung. I live in the northeast part of Pingtung, so you can see a lot of mountains. And also the people basically here, they are farmers, so you can see a lot of plants and a lot of fruit and vegetables are planted here. We are almost arrived in Dajing. You can see the southeast side. It's a very high mountain, so the weather today is really nice. So firstly, we will cross a bridge that is connects Pingtung and Kaohsiung. The mountains and the river. So this bridge is really important, but this is not a high bridge. You can see the river just there. So guys, we are right at the first place I want to bring you guys to go, and this is Straw Bridge, very traditional and Aboriginal culture, and let's take a look. Is this Straw Bridge, and you can see that it's a very cultural and represents the traditional Aboriginal culture. The Maolin and Dajing connected traditional Aboriginal culture. So you can see it's called 布鲁布沙吊桥 because of a typhoon Morakot, and here is almost destroyed. This is a rebuilt drawbridge. Let's get inside. The weather is really nice. You can hear some voice. What is that sound?
I fall and you pick me up again.
People or children that are formed to the river. Before the typhoon, we usually will swim here, and my dad will bring us to this area. A lot of families went here, have the very relaxing weekends. But because of Morocco typhoon, it is almost destroyed. It changed ecosystems, so now we cannot swim here. It's very dangerous. South of Taiwan, rain season is summer. So you can see the water and the small stone. This is the other side of the drawbridge. You can see the snake. That is the symbol of the Aboriginal. And you can see very detailed, beautiful, and made of the stone, and used knife to carve it. Here is the parking lot, so if people want to visit these beautiful places, you can park your car or motorcycle here. So that is the first location, bridge. So guys, this is the first location I want to bring you guys to go. It's very beautiful, right? I hope you enjoy. Crowd center, Maolin 风景区, and that they will arrange the people and they will see if you are the local people here. But if you are not, you need to pay some money. It's like $50 per person. So guys, this is the second place that I want to bring you to take a look. It's also a bridge, but it's very, very high, very tall and long bridge. That is also the very important as the first one. It connects Pingtung and Kaohsiung, the Maolin people inside. if they want to go outside to the Pingtung city or to Kaohsiung city, they need to cross this bridge. This takes a long time to accomplish it, and it's very high. It's a little bit dangerous, so I can't park the car there, so I need to walk a little bit. Enjoy this view. It's very beautiful. And this is village there, and this is a river. The air is very fresh, and you can see the mountains. You can listen to the sounds of the river. So it's a little bit dangerous, so you can see the limits of speeding. It's only 30. Here is the white stone. We will cross the mountains getting to the Maolin side in the before. Because of the Typhoon Morocco, it is almost destroyed. We built this bridge to connect the Maolin and Pingtung. But because of very serious Typhoon caused disaster, so we built this one.
There is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us.
So when you pace by, you need to slow down your speed. You can see here is a butterfly and light. It's a lot of the decorations. Seem the Aboriginal culture. This is the stone. They're very local. So this is the second place.
There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past what is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance?
So guys, it's me again. So that is the two places. When we return to the place that we head on, and you can see there are a lot of the old people. They are riding their motorcycle, going to farm and start farming. They wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. and then they will go to take care of their plants like betel nuts, taro, lemon, guava, papaya, and a lot of the fruits and vegetables you can just pick up and eat it immediately. It's very natural and without so much chemical spray, so it's really safe and really organic. So guys, this is the two places that I want to share with you, and also a very natural and beautiful scenery that I want you guys to take a look. So this is the end of my video. If you like it, please subscribe me and give me some comments below. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.